Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows what movies and TV shows you're going to love? Or how your credit card company is able to detect fraudulent charges? The answer is machine learning, a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on streaming platforms, diagnosing diseases to predicting stock prices, machine learning is empowering industries and changing the way we live our lives and come to work. But you don't need to be a tech mogul or data scientist to benefit from machine learning. With the right tools and resources, anyone can get started and tap into the power of this technology. So watch this video till the end and discover how machine learning is shaping the future in 2023 and beyond. Let's begin with what is machine learning. In the most simplest terms, machine learning is all about empowering machines to make decisions and predictions based on data, rather than being explicitly told what to do. It's like giving a child a set of building blocks and letting them figure out how to create their own structures, rather than showing them exactly how to build a specific object. But how exactly does machine learning work? At its core, machine learning involves feeding large amounts of data into algorithms, which can then learn to organize patterns and make predictions based on those patterns. There are several different types of machine learning algorithms, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. But what does this look like in practice? Let's say you want to teach a computer to identify different types of animals in pictures. With supervised learning, you could show the algorithm thousands of pictures of cats and dogs and birds, along with labels indicating which animal is in each picture. Over time, the algorithm would learn to organize the patterns that distinguish cats from dogs or from birds, and it could then accurately identify new animals it has never seen before. Or imagine you want to teach a computer to cluster similar documents together with any labels. With unsupervised learning, you could feed the algorithm a large collection of documents and let it figure out which ones are similar based on the words and phrases they contain. This is like giving a chef a bunch of ingredients and letting them figure out how to make a delicious meal. The chef, or in this case the algorithm, must find the patterns and relationships in the data on their own. In reinforcement learning, the algorithm learns by taking actions in an environment and receiving rewards or punishments based on its performance. This is like giving a basketball player a ball and letting them figure out how to improve their shot by practicing over and over. The player, or again the algorithm, must figure out the best course of action through experimentation. If you're a business owner or a manager, you know how important it is to stay ahead of the curve and find ways to increase efficiency and save money. That's where machine learning comes in. From increased efficiency and cost savings to improved decision making and enhanced customer experience, the advantages of machine learning are numerous and diverse. So why not take advantage of this amazing technology and see what it can do for your business? What can machine learning do for businesses? Machine learning has the potential to revolutionize how businesses operate and make decisions. By utilizing machine learning algorithms, businesses can gain valuable insights and predictions from the data. They can automate time-consuming tasks and improve efficiency, analyze customer purchasing patterns, and make targeted product recommendations. It can detect fraudulent transactions and improve risk assessment in the financial sector. It can predict equipment failures and optimize production processes in manufacturing. Make data-driven decisions reduce costs, and improve the overall customer experience. But what should they expect in 2023 and beyond? Let's find out. Well, rising demand for foundation models is a pattern that we're seeing. Foundation models are pre-trained deep learning algorithms that perform multiple tasks, allow businesses to implement AI technology in a more manageable and scalable way. Their popularity is expected to increase in the coming years as they can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, saving time and resources. Adoption of multimodal AI. Multimodal AI is a cutting-edge technology that allows computer agents to understand and learn multiple forms of data, such as text, speech, facial expressions, and more. Growth of metaverse is another important trend that we're seeing. The metaverse is an emerging technology that is set to revolutionize the way businesses interact with their customers. As physical and virtual worlds continue to merge, the use of metaverse is expected to become increasingly prevalent in the coming years. Rising popularity of transformers. Transformers, also known as sec-to-sec models, are a highly sought-after type of AI architecture that are widely used in natural language processing tasks and sequence analysis. With an increasing demand for these types of tasks, the popularity of transformers is expected to soar in the coming years. Growing utilization of embedded machine learning. Embedded machine learning is another trend that is gaining momentum as more and more industries adopt IoT technologies and automation and robotics. The utilization of embedded machine learning is expected to increase significantly in the coming years as it enables devices to learn, adapt, and make decisions on their own. In conclusion, machine learning is an incredible field that is transforming the way we live and work. So, whether you are a beginner or an expert, don't be afraid to dive into the world of machine learning. Who knows, you may just be the next pioneer in this exciting field. And we hope you enjoyed our video on machine learning for dummies. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can continue to bring more such content for you. Until next time, goodbye.